Theorem 6.2, which is the converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thell's theorem. Converse means the reverse statement of same theorem, which says that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. If you remember, the basic proportionality theorem says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. But the converse is saying that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay, so to prove this theorem, we will use contradiction method, which we have used in class 9th also, and in class 10th also we have used somewhere. So we are given a triangle ABC and given that a line L is dividing sides AB and AC in equal ratio, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This we are given. Okay. It is given. Now to prove that this DE is parallel to BC, we will use contradiction method for this. Let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. So if DE is not parallel to BC, then there must be some point on AE, or there must be some point on AB, such that if that point is joined to the opposite point, it becomes parallel to BC. So either we can assume that point on AB or we can assume it on AC. I am taking this point here on AC, assuming that if DE is not parallel to BC, then there must be a point E dash. There must be a point E dash on AC such that DE dash is parallel to BC. So let us join this point D and E dash. That implies, now if DE dash is parallel to BC, that implies by basic proportionality theorem, I am using here short form, you have to use the full name of theorem, or you can say by Thell's theorem. If this DE dash is parallel to BC, then by Thell's theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So if DE dash is parallel to BC, that means AD upon DB will be equal to AE dash upon E dash C. AE dash upon E dash C. Right? But we are given that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Right? This implies that by using these two, we can say that AE dash upon E dash C is equal to AE upon EC. So now here we will use componendo, according to which we add 1 both sides. So A E dash upon E dash C plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1. Okay. So you can see here, if you will take LCM, it becomes A E dash plus E dash C upon E dash C is equal to AE plus EC upon EC. That implies, now you can see here, A E dash plus E dash C is equal to AC, and AE plus EC is also equal to AC. So AC upon E dash C is equal to AC upon EC. This means if we cancel both sides, AC, AC, then we get E dash C is equal to EC. Right? Now, look at this side. We are saying that E dash C is equal to EC. E dash C is equal to EC is possible only when E dash coincides on E. Okay? E dash C is equal to EC. It is only possible if E dash falls on E. Right? But it is possible only if E dash coincides with E. That implies our assumption that DE is not parallel to BC is wrong. This means that if a line divides the other two sides in equal ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. So DE is parallel to BC.